There you go. And Aubrey caught
Great,
one.
I gotta wash this shirt now.
In fact, I'm surprised that's not one of his buddies because they all bought Blackhawks. All right, folks, welcome to another Heck Yeah Adventures. Today's episode, it's going to be a good one. So I had a customer of mine said he needed his Tesla taken to Montana, and then we're doing an upgrade on his Griddle. So looks like we're going for a 19-hour drive and a Tesla that drives itself. Don't know how I feel about that, but the cabin is right by a lake. You guys, if you want to go back to my video, it's so awesome. But yeah, we're gonna have a good time. It's gonna take about 19 hours. Yeah. So here we go. We'll show you the beauty on the way. It is the weirdest feeling to just let it take over. So okay, we're here. First charging station. We're parked and we're gonna plug it in. Okay. Yep. So one thing we got figured out with the charging station, Porter can play like a race game. Check this out. That's pretty cool, huh? Tell you what, Montana sure hits a little bit different. Check this out. Awesome mountains in the background. Still mountains with snow, and it's almost July, so how cool is that? We are about 10 minutes away from the lake house and about 19 hours journey. We are tired, but it was a beautiful trip.
Yeah.
What do you think, Port?
It's going to be awesome. It was a really nice trip. I can't wait to go fishing.
And the weirdest thing about this is it is 10:15 right now, and we still have light. Oh, that's gonna work. There's our
Send it out there.
cabin for the next few days. All right, so here's the reason we came to Kalispell. We wanted to upgrade this barbecue right here because it's sitting under trees and the other one didn't have a hood, so you want to get a hood. So I retrofitted this whole space right here and got this one to fit. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen this kitchen before, it's in like one of my second or third videos I ever made. So yeah, we got the barbecue cleaned up. This was almost exactly 2 years ago. I came to Lake Blaine and installed this, but I mean, this view never gets old. We got it all done. So tomorrow is playtime, and then we are going to be flying home on the plane. Good times. He's having a hard time getting this worm on. That's a big worm.
There we go.
Got him. Anyway, we are having a great afternoon. It's perfect fishing weather right now. The sun just went behind the clouds, so we're about to catch some fish.
It's gonna be tasty.
All right, I just scored. Look at this. That is a 2.5, 3 pound bass right at the end of the day. Oh, that's sweet. I'm Oh! Pull him up. That's bass. Oh, that's a good one. Holy cow.
My.
Dude, that's bigger than mine.
Oh, you got a good one?
Oh, yeah, that's a good fish. Hold him.
Oh my!
Hey,
That's my PB.
There you go, right there.
Jeez.
Look, hold him up. That's good. We'll put him down a little bit. There you go. There you go. And Aubrey caught
Great,
one.
I gotta wash this shirt now.
You're going to be on Heck Yeah Adventures, Aubrey.
All right.
Yep, so she'll be on YouTube.
This is my PB right here.
That's a good fish. Holy cow, look at that.
That's one.
All right, we're on it. Port just got his.
PB.
That was his PB.
huge.
Aubrey got one, and I just caught this little teeny, like 8-inch perch. These are fun to catch, though. So here's the plane we're flying out. Captain Ted, and what's your name?
I'm Alex.
Alex. He's going to be co-piloting today, and this is what we're flying in.
Today we're going to be cruising at around 330 miles an hour on the way.
That is, he
32,000.
said 3.5 to 4 hours. I'm like, there ain't no way. He's like, yep. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's quick bird.
So we're putting on a little bit of fuel. You can check yourself out at Heck Yeah Adventures.
All right, sounds good.
So we just got here at the airport in Kalispell, and yeah, so we've got Alex flying us, which looks like our cousin Alex. But yeah, he said we'll be there in 2.5 to 3 hours. That is crazy. Nervous? Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Woo! That was beautiful. There was a little bit of crosswind, but you nailed it. That was way smooth. Good job, man. Right there. It probably just got out of the. Probably just blew over, right? I bet. In fact, I'm surprised that's not one of his buddies, because they all bought Blackhawks and they got them repainted. Sure. All right, Alex. So we're going to get this guy right here a job at Grand Canyon Airlines. That's my goal.
Make me so happy.
That's my goal.
I don't got a lot of flight time, but I got a lot of turbine time. So
Yeah. Well,
count me in.
you nailed it. All right, everybody. So I want to tell Ted and his wife Gayle thanks, and we got Alex in here for.
Thanks for taking care of us, and we're going to cook with gas and cook in mass thanks to these guys.
I love it. I mean, this was a heck yeah adventure. 3 days. How many miles to Kalispell? 19-hour car drive
900.
and a 2.5-hour flight back. What a fun time. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.